Hi, in this video I am going to talk about download, install R and RStudio. So first, download R. First go to the link www.rproject.org. Then click the download R link on this page. Then click a CRAN location and click the corresponding link. So let me demonstrate how to do these steps. Alright, this is the page of the link rproject.org. So you see here you have some information, the R project for statistical computing getting started. So you can read this, but first what I am going to do, I click on this link download R. Once you click on this link, you will go to this page. This is the CRA in mirrors. So you will be asked to select a mirror. You can select the location nearest to you. The nearest location for me is here in the USA. So I will pick this link. So once you click on this, you will see this page. You see we have three links under download and install R. So first one, download R for Linux. So if you have this Linux computer, so you can click on this link. Download R for Mac OS X. So if you have a Mac computer, so you can click on this, and for the Windows users, the last one. So what I do, I have a Mac, so I will click on this. Then you see the latest release. So I'm going to download the latest release. So R351PKG. So once you select this, your computer will start to download the installer. So here it is downloading. Okay, once you finish your download, double click on this. Then you will get this window. So click on continue, continue, continue. So if you need, you can read license, but I just click on agree button. So again continue, and if you want to change your location, so you can click on change install location and go back, do the location, but I am going to install here. So I just click on install. Yes, once you click on install, you will get this window. So moving items into place. So running package scripts. Yeah, less than a minute. Yes, we are done. Let me check R. So launchpad. Yes, we have R here. It means R has been installed properly into this computer. Second, download RStudio. First, go to the link www.rstudio.com. So on this web page, you will see the link download RStudio. So click on download RStudio link. You can continue. So let me demonstrate how to install RStudio. Alright, this is the website www.rstudio.com. So here you see download RStudio. Also you can click on this one too. It is also RStudio. So let me click on this download. So you will get this page once you click download. Then actually here we are going to download this free version RStudio desktop. So download now. Once you click on download, you will be asked to install us for supported platforms. So according to your computer, you can use one of these links. So mine is Mac. So I will click on RStudio 1.1.463 Mac OS X 10.6 plus 64-bit. So once you click on this, RStudio installer is being downloaded here. Now let me check on this. Yes, RStudio has been downloaded. So double click on this. Once you double click on this on Mac, you will see this open in RStudio. So yes, so what I do, I drag this into the application. Yes, copy in RStudio to applications. Yes, so now I hope RStudio has been installed to this computer properly. Let me check. Yes, you have this R. So double click on RStudio. So you see here it is opening. Yes, very fine. Here we go. This is the RStudio here. So in my next video, I will explain basic arithmetic and coding in R.